Hi friends, this is Dr. Bharat Chaugule, professional life coach, and today I am going to introduce you wonderful topic, and that is mindfulness eating or eating mindfully. Eating mindfully means what? With full of awareness. You will see most of the times when we are eating, that time we are chit chatting with the people, watching the television, or talking on the cell phones. Do you feel that? This is the mindful eating. When the plate will become empty, we can't understand. So, eating with mindfulness is very important. With full of awareness, we are living for eating or eating for living. We are eating for living or living for eating. We have to understand the difference. Food for what? To get the energy. How much energy we want, that type of food only we have to take. How much calorie we require, that type of calorie only we have to take. For the living, sleeping, eating, drinking, and thinking and breathing. These are the most important activities. So how we will eat and drink, it is directly proportional to our living. How we will live. Right? So eating is one of the most important factor in our life. What we are eating, it's important, but how we are eating, that is more important. How we are eating, that is more important. I will share my one case study to you. I was a professor in the university long back, and that time I used to go to the gym, and I was taking whey proteins also. And after that I realized, is it my need of the going to the gym or taking the whey proteins? I understand no. Because when we are in the growing stage, that time we need more protein. After the age of 21, we not require that much protein what the growing children requires. Of course, for the bodybuilder, they needs more protein because they are tearing the muscles, building the muscles. They want to become bodybuilder, and for that protein is necessary. But for the meditator, what is the use of more protein? I realize. Then I stopped that whey proteins. So we have to take the food intake as per our need, not as per our wish. We have to eat intellectually, not emotionally. Clear? How we are eating, that is also more important. Be happy and peaceful mind state. Observe the food properly. Observe the food properly. Smell it. Touch it properly. Texture, hard, soft. How you are putting in the mouth. How the saliva is adding in that. How saliva is adding in that. It's going left side or right side, or moving and circulating. What kind of taste you are getting there? What kind of taste you are getting there? How it going inside the esophagus and stomach? Enjoy the food. Enjoy the food. While eating, you just enjoy the eating. Thoughts are important, but it is necessary while eating? No. What thoughts are required only when it is necessary. While eating, what is the use of thoughts? So, enjoy the eating. Avoid chit-chatting and watching the television or talking on the cell phones. Smell it. Enjoy the food. taste it properly. That is the awareness, and it is the mindfulness eating. So you are eating with full of awareness. Sri Krishna rightly told three types of gunas: tamasa, rajasa, and sattvic. That is related to the food also. If you will take the tamasic food, it will take you in the dullness and laziness. If you are taking the rajasa food, it will boost your ambition and boost your ego. Whereas you will take the sattvic food, spiritual progress will happen. So you want to spiritually grow, or you want to achieve many materialistic things. It's up to you. So choose the food according to your needs. So eat purposefully. For what purpose we are eating? How much energy we require? Whether it is acidic or basic food or alkaline, in which geographical area we are staying, and what type of food we have to eat. This is the awareness. This is the awareness. Eat with full of awareness, with mindfulness. So, right from the beginning, when you are sitting for the eating, that time avoid talking, chit chatting, watching the television, and talking on the cell phones, writing the emails, or reading the books. You stop all activities that time. Just focus on one thing, and that is your eating. Eat with full of concentration, with full of involvement, and enjoy the food. And this is the mindful eating. Thank you.